This is Avery from Avery's Amazing Animals, and today I will be doing an interview with my brother about chickens, and I'm just going to ask him a few questions. So say hi, Nate.
Hi.
So, Nate, do you like chickens?
Yes.
Do you like their babies?
Yes.
What do chickens eat?
Corn.
Is that all they eat?
No, squash.
Do you think they'll just eat whatever you have left over?
Yes. They'll eat anything.
What do you think chickens do during the day?
Walk around and make babies.
Oh.
And lay eggs.
Which two chickens are your favorite that we have?
Bruce and the chicken that's in the rabbit pen.
You like the rooster and the mama?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, what else do you have to add about chickens?
Well, I love them because they're like so good at cleaning up the leftover food that you have.
Oh. Do you have anything else to say about chickens?
Well, I would kiss one if I was able.
Oh, okay. So, thank you guys for watching, and please consider subscribing and liking. Bye!